just want to preface this with I think this is a bad idea. I'm going to be really mad if I get wet.
This is Stokes Crossing. There's no one down here.
We're all alone.
All alone, so I fuck up, well,
There's some big rocks out there, hon.
yeah, well, I just won't hit the bigger rocks.
You can't even see the big rocks. They're underwater.
It'll be alright.
We're about to do a river crossing by ourselves. If I get wet, I will be pissed.
Oh, you ought to roll the window down and get the full effect.
Ooh, that was pretty. Our rock splatters are going underwater. Please don't hydrolock the motor. Lock the motor. Lock the motor. That's bad.
There's a big rock there.
Middle of a river.
That rock was solid.
Yeah, I can see you. Honey. I am so not happy right now.
Well, I think the proper choice would be to turn around.
If you can. Oh my God, this is
Evidently is washed out since last time we were here.
such a bad idea. If we have to winch to something, you're going wading. It is raining. We are alone.
Whoa, hole. Well, unsuccessful on Stokes Crossing.
Did I mention at the beginning of this video that I thought that was a bad idea?
I got checked the front end.